you doing? This is Lou Grasso at Union High School. I'm here to present this game ball for Jersey Sports Zone to Jacque'e Cook for our game against Westfield. Congratulations, Jacque'e.
Thank you. This is not only an accolade for me, it's an accolade for my team as well. We all work hard. Our coaches to perfection. So this is not just for me, it's for everybody here. So thank you.
Want to see highlights and features from your favorite school? Jersey Sports Zone is entirely supported by our great sponsors. Email marketing@jerseysportszone.com to get your business in front of our loyal audience and highlights from your hometown.